Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So a few videos ago, I harvested my peanuts and I've let them dry out. And today I'm going to show you how I'm going to roast them. So if you remember, we really didn't get a huge harvest, but we did get enough to roast for one person. And if my wife is sweet enough, I'll share with her. I'm going to put them in my Hamilton Beach roaster that I got through the Lowe's YouTube influencer program. And it comes with a tray, three food trays. It has a drip tray also, and comes with various timers and features. So what I'm going to do is put these in, and we're going to roast them on about 400, and we'll come back when they're done. So we have them on the tray, and I'm going to put them on the middle rack. There. Okay, and comes with a user manual, and we're going to go to page where it says cooking guide. Now, I'm pretty sure it's not going to have peanuts in it, but for vegetables and other items, like potato wedges and stuff, it says to cook on 400. So we're going to turn this on. Let me bring you closer so you can see the controls. Okay, we have the on-off button. We're going to set it to 400. We're going to set the timer. So for right now, it's at 60 minutes. And we're going to start it. And then you hear the fan kick on, and it is on its merry way. Now, there are some other buttons that are here, such as the main menu here. You have a light, you have a temperature up and down here. So if you're interested in purchasing one, I'll put the link and everything for Lowe's on the screen and also in the description portion of the video. And we'll come back in 60 minutes. We're back, and here are the peanuts. They're nice and roasted. And I was mistaken. It really takes about 25 to 35 minutes for these to roast. And I tasted a couple of them, and they're perfect. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to respond. Again, this was gifted from the YouTube influencers program via Lowe's. I'll put their information in the comments and description portion of the video. And overall, it's a great air fryer. It's an upgrade over the one that I had before. And I think I'm going to find lots of uses for it. The next one is probably dehydrating some peppers. I'm not sure if I'll make a video for that one or not. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and cook a lot of food for myself and my family. but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I guarantee you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you are interested in getting a shirt with my logo on it, you can head over to the Spread Shop and purchase one from there. They also have mugs and stickers as well. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.